Anouk is Myntra's private ethnic wear brand, and we are always looking at doing something different. It's for the modern woman who's ready to experiment and willing to go out and wear something different from what the regular is all about. The collection today is all about Mickey and how Mickey can be, it's a different take on Mickey. Everybody's seen Mickey only as a bolder motif on t-shirts, on western wear. So we went ahead and did something different. We took it for ethnic, which is not heard of, and we fused it with Indian elements like peacock, very strong Indian elements. So you can really relate to it in terms of the print vocabulary that we've done. And the silhouettes are also very fusion. We have ethnic, but we don't have very western. We've made them very fusion, very ethnic, so that every woman, every age group can wear these kinds of. I strongly believe that women today are very experimental. They don't like to wear the kurtas with the regular churidars. Women want to experiment. They want to wear something new, and that's where the idea of this collection came from. And we've got a very good response. You know, the colors, it's a very Indian palette, and Mickey's been kept black and white because Mickey's, of course, the highlight of the collection. But overall, it's been a brilliant response to the collection. Anouk is just 2 years old, and I think we're getting there. We're having customers who keep coming back. We're building it, and it's at this stage where also we're experimenting and making sure we keep getting new customers as well. And we're trying to retain the old ones by giving them something new every season. Like, we're doing a lot of experimental lines in the future as well, and the idea is to have a very loyal customer base for Anouk. See, I'll tell you what, 6 months back I would have really agreed to you, but we've done a customer survey. We went down and talked to a lot of women, and women are on app these days. They all have Myntra on their mobile and they're buying it. So it's been a very positive response. We've talked to a lot of customers, and they all are, you know, even I was skeptical, you know, such intricate designs, how can you really see on a smaller app? But the response has been very good. Women say they really have the patience to look on the app, and, you know, they decide what they want to wear. So I think overall now I can truly say that I believe in it, that, you know, app is going to be the big thing, and people are buying intricate design.